You're welcome back. So this video is to actually put you through how you can add extensions to your browser on your laptop or on your Kiwi or Mrs. browser on your phone, mobile devices also. So you just follow the same steps, but I'm actually using a laptop to actually run this video. So this is just for you to add extensions. So you might be hearing of okay, add Web3 wallets to your extension and the likes like that. Do you get that? So I'm just going to put you through. So I'm going to be making use of the Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store, I'm going to drop the link in the video description. Always make sure that you use the Chrome Web Store. So you won't go and get to expose your sensitive data to spammers or hackers. So you get that. So now in this video, I want to actually add my Tone wallet to my extension because I don't have it. So now I'm on the Chrome Web Store website. So I'm going to type in what I want in this search box. So I'm going to type in Tone because that is what I want. So Tone wallet. So you should have a list of it. So and with the list, you also need to be careful of the ones you're actually going to be installing since it's your sensitive data, which you have to be very much sensitive about it by keeping it as a secret. So always look at this approval sign at the back of the maker of the extension. So that is for you to actually confirm. So if you look here and here, you see a difference. You can see this has already been actually confirmed by the organization that dropped the extension. So look at it, look at it. So you can see approval that's been confirmed. So I want to actually add my Tone wallet. So I'm going to click on my Tone wallet. So that's what I actually want to add. So click on that. All right, so this is the next page. So you can decide to read through all of this. So you can also see reviews here. So now decide that you want to go through the reviews to see what people have said. So you see 4 reviews, 502 ratings. So you can actually go through it, but I don't need that. So I'm just going to click on get. So it will request that I add the extension. So I'm going to click on add extension. So and once you've added the extension, it will download for you into your browser, and also it will add to your browser automatically. Just as you have it here. So now you can see here manage the extension by clicking on settings and more, and then to the extension board. So we are actually done with downloading now. You can just click on this your extension icon just as you have on my screen here to actually check what you've actually added. So what have we added? My Tone wallet. So you can see here my Tone wallet. So if you click on it, you will see that it's already here for you. So now you can get to use it for anything you want to use it for. So the same thing goes for different other extensions. So once you had it, you can always check your extension icon that is always at the top of your screen by clicking on it and looking for the extension that you actually added. So you can see I have a lot of extension here, but my Tone wallet is actually the latest one that I added. Alright guys, so this is just the end of the video. So finally like this video, kindly share with others also who are confused about how to add extension to their browsers, either on their laptop or on their mobile devices using some specialized browser like Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. So until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Base. Do have a great day. Bye for now.